Immobiliser fit, and this is Starline Pro fitted to a 2023 Land Rover Defender. So how it works for the customer, they can just have their phone in their pocket, get in with a key obviously in their pocket, just start the vehicle like normal. We hear a disarm tone which confirms the system knows it's us, and we can drive away. Simple as that. Nothing really changes if you've got your phone on you, just drive away. If your phone goes flat, your phone's not here, let's say a thief copies this key and goes to steal the vehicle, they start it up. When they put it in gear, it's going to cut out, they're going to be unable to drive the car away. As you see, it's just died. They're not going to be taking it anywhere. If it's the customer and their phone's gone flat, they'll start the car. Before they put it in gear, they're going to put their code in. So we have 1, 2, 3 for this video. Hear that disarm tone, now we can drive away. So on this, you can choose to have up to 5 phones paired to it. So if multiple people drive it, pair their phones up, they can drive away no problem. You can choose your own code for this system between 3 and 21 presses in any order you choose. And also it has a service mode. You can do it with a simple press and hold in the app, or with the buttons we'll show you on the video. We'll turn the ignition on. First prove it's us by putting in our code and waiting for the disarm tone. Now we'll press any button we use for our code 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll turn the ignition off and then back on. We get 2 bleeps within the vehicle, and now this is just a normal car. So when it goes to Range Rover, you obviously don't have to disclose your push sequence to them. You don't have to leave your phone in the vehicle. It's just a normal car. It's going to go into gear, drive around. Nothing to worry about. It's not going to time out whether it's there for 2 hours, 2 weeks, 2 months. It doesn't make a difference. The only way it's going to come out of service mode is either through the app with a press and hold like you would have done to put it in, or if you've used the buttons, pop your code in 1, 2, 3 like we have on this. We get 2 bleeps, the system is back on, your vehicle is now protected. Just to make sure, obviously when you've got it home, you want to make sure you've taken it out of service mode, so give it a few seconds to arm, start the car, put it in gear without your code or your phone present, and make sure it switches off. Now we know that the vehicle's out of service mode, is secure, and the Starline Pro is active. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's the Starline Pro, like we said. With your Bluetooth on, you can just start the car as normal with this system. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.